Welcome back to Aging Gracefully, where we share practical, science-backed tips to help you look and feel your best at every age. We often focus on morning routines for health and longevity, but what you do before bed can be just as important. Tonight, I'm sharing 5 bedtime rituals that can help you wake up feeling refreshed, healthier, and yes, even younger over time. Tip number 1. Power down your screens early, at least an hour before bed. Turn off your phone, tablet, or TV. The blue light from screens can disrupt melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and preventing your body from entering deep, restorative sleep stages. Instead, try reading a physical book, meditating, or listening to calming music. Tip number 2. Sip a soothing herbal tea. Chamomile, valerian root, and lavender teas are natural relaxants that signal your body it's time to wind down. A warm cup before bed can help lower your heart rate and relax your muscles, setting the stage for high-quality sleep. Tip number 3. Stretch or do gentle yoga. 5 to 10 minutes of light stretching or restorative yoga before bed can ease muscle tension, improve circulation, and signal your nervous system to shift into rest mode. Focus on slow, mindful movements and deep breathing. Tip number 4. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. A slightly cooler room, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, supports deeper sleep and improves your body's natural repair processes. Blackout curtains or an eye mask can help keep your sleep environment dark, boosting melatonin levels. Tip number 5. Practice gratitude journaling before you turn out the lights. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit helps lower stress, quiet the mind, and promote a positive outlook, which can directly affect your overall health and even slow signs of aging. These 5 rituals are simple, soothing, and incredibly effective. They work together to improve sleep quality, reduce stress, and give your body the best possible environment for repair and renewal overnight. If you're ready to wake up feeling more energized, more focused, and more radiant, give these tips a try tonight. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Aging Gracefully, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip to live your best life at any age.